How to create a Wendy's rewards account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Wendy's on your device. Here, click on rewards at the top and it will lead you to this page, which is reward page. Now, what you need to do is scroll down in here and you will find this option, which is sign up for rewards. Click on sign up for rewards. After you click on sign up for rewards, it will lead you to this page. Here, click on visit reward store, or you can click on earn points. After you click on earn points redeem for free food repeat, it will open this page. Here at the bottom, scroll down and click on continue as guest. After you press on continue as guest, you can simply create your account by adding your email address, your full name, and creating a password. Or you can click on continue with Google and create a account easily in this way as well. It's not available in my region right now, but it will be available in your region in this way. This is how to create a Wendy's rewards account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.